Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make macarons at home without oven. Start by gathering sifted almond flour, powdered sugar, egg whites, granulated sugar, and piping tools. Measure ingredients carefully on a digital scale and separate eggs while cold, then age whites briefly at room temperature. Prepare a silicone mat and piping bag, and set up your steaming station or dehydrator with gentle heat control before you begin mixing. Make the meringue until glossy peaks hold shape, yet still feel soft. This gives structure without heaviness. Gently fold almond flour and powdered sugar in 3 additions, working until batter flows like thick lava and stops after about 10 seconds of ribbon. Test by dropping a small dollop. It should smooth slightly but not disappear, then transfer to a piping bag and pipe uniform rounds on prepared mats for consistent baking results. Set up a steamer with a rack and simmer water gently to create consistent dry steam, or use a dehydrator set to low heat for a similar effect. Allow piped shells to rest until a thin skin forms before steaming. This ensures feet develop and tops remain smooth. Steam in short intervals, checking often so shells dry rather than soak, then cool completely before filling with buttercream or ganache for best texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.